Hello, it is a December 30th, I think. Does that sound right? We're going to say it's right. Because today's Tuesday. New Year's Day is Thursday. So yeah, 30th. And it's about 5 o'clock. Today was kind of a not super fun day. I had to take... first off, I got some stuff for the farmhouse, and it was delivered like right when I was getting up, so we had to get and move it. It was a whole thing. And then I had to take my Jeep to get the recall done. It is the 68C recall, which is the second time this has happened, where I guess the 4xEs catch fire sometimes. And there's no software to let you know it's about to catch fire. So they had to install the software to let me know that it's going to catch fire soon. So, not fixed. Just now I know to vacate the car. Supposedly, that's what the last one did. But we'll see. But I got that taken, dropped off. And then we went to do our workout. And then we went to go eat. And then the Jeep was ready, so we picked it up, brought it home. And yeah, so that's pretty much what we did. But I will show you what I got. So I'll spin this bad boy around. Okay, so I got 4 MDF boards, 3/4. There's one right here. It's like a blank screen, doesn't it? The other two are over here. They are to go up here for the floor of that, which jokers are heavy. Like I had to carry that bad boy in. I carried 4 of them in. They're 90 pounds a piece, but be that as it may, I needed them, so I got 4 of them. I don't know why I didn't just get regular 3/4 plywood. I was thinking it'd be stronger, so maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I got some 1x4s, and I got some 1x4x8s, and then some 1x6s. So that's going to be my trim for around the closet upstairs. And in my mind, I've got this wood up panel, which it's really pretty. I can't show you because I got stuff on it. Yeah, you know what? You're special. Well, this isn't a farm video. We're not going to. You'll see that later. But anyway, I needed to. I wanted to go ahead and get the what you call it, the trim up, so I'll know how high to cut the wood up boards. So that's what that is. So anyway, so that's that, and I'll show you. Got it right here. So I got quite a bit of it. I think it's going to look pretty snazzy. And I also have to. I got my snowboard racks today, so I got those on. So I'm going to show you what they look like because I think they're pretty cool. Oh gosh, I got to break my ankles. It is the Kuwait's something. I don't know how you say it. But it's got a locking strap here. So you can't unlock it. I mean, you can't just open it without unlocking it with the key. And then you've got a little lock thing here that lifts up. And it's got these squishy things. So that way, if you got 2 different thicknesses of snowboard or whatever. And this is the cool part. What? Look at that. Slides right out. So you can load your board up out here. Slide that bad boy on like that. And then pull this bad boy down like that. And it also raises up in the back too. So if you got something wide. But you lock it here. Like if you're just around the car, you just do this so it won't fly up. But then you put this chain, lock it here as well, and then this won't move. So yeah, so I think that's pretty sweet. And they're white, so I thought that was cool. I've got a Kuwait. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's got a funky accent over the bike rack for my BMX bike. And it really works phenomenal. Like, I wish they made a dirt bike rack. If they did, then, well, I would get one because their stuff is really good. Will you stop talking? Golly, mouthy. I know it's cold out here. It is cold today. It's like super cold. It's like 40 degrees, which you think, oh, is that cold? But then you got the wind chill, which makes it like 28. So it's wintertime. But yeah, so really happy with those racks. Can't wait to test them out. And I think they're going to be good. I'm going to just leave them on there now so I can see how much wind noise I got. And then maybe tomorrow we might. Tomorrow we got a Zoom call meeting tomorrow, so I'm not sure what we're doing tomorrow. It depends on what the weather is really. But if it's cold, I'm not doing anything because it's just gross. What? Blackie is like ready to be inside, so I'm gonna take her inside. But yeah, so this is what we did today. The racks took a little longer. I had to adjust where the crossbar was. Didn't know how to do that, so I had to Google it, and it's like, you got special tools. I'm like, oh, do I? And I looked at my glove box, and sure enough, I do. So got the arms, because I wanted the bindings on the inside, so that way, I don't know, it just makes it more difficult to slide out. You know, if someone tries to steal it. Like, they can still steal my board, but it's going to take an effort. They have to take the binding off, actually take both bindings off and jerk like crazy to get it out. Plus that rubber doesn't make it slide real good. So, you know, nothing's theft proof, but it's definitely theft resistant. I know, honey, you're freezing. Golly. Hang on. Ow! Golly. What are you doing? I don't know, stupid camera. Why are you up here? Quit filming up there. There. What? She's annoying. I'm gonna let her inside. But anyway, that's what I get. I just think it looks cool. I mean, it's like people want to think I'm a cop. What do you think? So, and I got my my butter pad yesterday. I haven't unpacked it yet, so when I get my butter pad unpacked, I'll show you what we do with that. But that's for I'll let her in because she obviously wants to be inside. Go inside, honey. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. It helps with your snowboarding. You can do some exercises with it. You put your snowboard on, and it's like thick astroturf. Oh my God! Hang on. Okay, sorry. What are you doing? Okay, no face detected. Well, anywho, that's what we did today. So I'm pretty excited about got the snowboard rack on. Probably gonna go see Dad for a bit, and then try to get warm and watch a movie or something. But anyway, that's what we did today.